Hey friends, welcome to Tips by Anil. Today video, Today in this video we will learn how to create custom navigation page in Xamarin. Okay, so in our previous videos we have already learned how to create a login form or how to design a home page in Xamarin. And by default, once you will create a application, a by default master page, that is navigation page, will be added in your solution, and in that solution you can easily navigate from master page to child page. But that by default master page is a little bit difficult to add a new page in that by default master page. So if you want to add some stuff, you if you want to add a new page, then you have to add some stuff in model, some stuff in view model. But here we are going to create a custom master page, and this master page is very easy, and you can easily create you can easily add a new child item in that master page. So here I'm going to create a custom master page, custom navigation page, and here I will provide a meaningful name, custom master.xml. Click on add. So you can see here we have only two pages at that time, home page and login page. Okay, but by default here some few pages added automatically with this master detail page, but we will have to delete these all pages because we are not using any kind of by default feature. We are creating own custom master detail page. So I'm going to delete this also. I'm going to delete this also. Okay, now I will add a list view in this master detail page dot master. So I have already created a code or design for that list view. I will also explain how it's working. Okay, I will copy from here and paste it here. So here you can see this is the master detail page dot master. I added twice, so I will remove it from here. So this is the image circle. How we can add a image circle in that our master page or content page? For that you have to go in NuGet solution, and in a NuGet solution add this xam.plugins.form.image circle in your solution. Once you will add this plugin in your solution, then you have to add a reference in your solution. So this is the reference. Okay, this reference I will add here. So once I will add, you can see the error message gone. Now I will tell you this is the stack layout, and inside a stack layout I created a list view. So the list view name is navigation list, and item tabbed equals to item underscore tabbed. So what does it mean? So once we will add a menu item inside a list view, then once a user will click on a particular menu item, then it will redirect on item.tabbed method, and whatever is mentioned in item.tabbed method, that will be populate inside a master page. Okay, so now I'm going to add some custom code. So I will delete complete custom code from here, complete by default code from here, and add my custom code here. So here I have already created a custom code for you. So this is my method. Okay, so I will add this method here, and here you can see menu items. So menu items is a class. So I will create a class over here, public class menu items. Cool. So I will provide a public property, public string option name get dot set. So what is this option name basically? So here you can see custom master page. This is the label, and inside a label we are adding a option name. Okay, so now I'm going to create a list item. Deleting this setting. So plans, categories and profile, these all are the pages I have to add in my solution. So these all are the content page, these all are the child page. So either I can add page 1, page 2 and page 3. Okay, now I will create a object list menu items Now I will create a object for this list menu items equals to new list menu items, and here in this menu items I will add some options. Add new menu items, option name equals to page 1, page 1, page 2, okay, and page 3. Cool. So I will give the same name over here. Page name 1, page name 2, page name 3, and here I will add a option name page 1, page 2, page 3, page 2, page 3. Now if I will run this application, then it will give us the custom menu page. Okay, but before to run I will tell you one by one step. So here you can see we have added a master page, custom master page, and we will keep only custom master.xml and custom master.xml.cs, and other page that will be added by default we have to remove from our solution. And here we have added a plugin for a circle image. Okay, and this is the content page, and inside a content page we have added a stack layout. Sorry, we have added a image circle, and this is the LBL name basically. So what is this LBL name? Inside a LBL name you can add, suppose that if we are just creating a user profile, so in this user profile this will be the username and this will be the user image picture. And here you can see list view. So inside a list view we have added a label, and in this label we provided a name, option name. So option name basically menu items that will be appended in this option name, and here we have provided the navigation list. So this navigation list basically we have to navigation list dot item source equals to menu items. Cool. So now here you can see In this image circle, we provided a name profile picture.png. So this profile picture.png we have to add in our Android and our in iOS also. So in drawable, suppose that I'm going to create this logo, then I will add here. Maybe some height or width is not fixed, so accordingly we have to create that image size. Now if I will run this application in my YBLN, then what will be the output? But you will not able to see my output, so I will I will cancel this debugging, and I will run it in emulator. So I will choose Android emulator and click on run. So it will take few minutes to running this application. For that I'm just skipping that steps because it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see the page is loaded, and here you can see this is our circle image, but actually the image size is very large, so it's not coming in properly. Okay, this is page 1 and this is page 2. Fine, so we are not able to identify this is page 1 or either this is page 2. So what I will do here in custom master XML, I added one more line. Details equals to new navigation page 1. So first page 1 will be loaded as a child page. Okay, this line you have to add it in your solution, and nothing we I'll add in this solution. And here I added a image anil.jpg. So this JPG image is small and the size is also 200 into 200. So I will replace it. Now I will run this application again. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll cancel it, and I have to change page 1. So welcome to Xamarin Form page 1 and welcome to Xamarin Form page 2 and welcome to Xamarin Form page 3. Now I will run this application again. So it will give you the expected output as we want. So first time it will take few minutes to run, but next time it will not take much time to run it on emulator. So it's still is now you can see welcome to Xamarin Form page 1, and here you can see the circle image. So if you and one more thing, here we want name also, but first I will navigate on page 2 and here I'll navigate on page 3. So this is our expected output, but one more thing I will add in this. I will let you know what I want to add. And if you are liking my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel also. Here you can see LBL name. So here I want to add a name. Text equals to Anil Gangwar. Now if I will run this application, it will give you the expected output as we want. And one more thing that is very important, I will tell you. Here you can see Anil Gangwar, and this is my profile picture. This is menu item page 1, page 2 and page 3. This what I want to show you, I will show you in my next video. This is the back button. I'll show you next in my next video how you can add a next button on a page. Okay, so I think you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day and wait for my next video. Thanks. Bye bye.